Distraught families and relatives today thronged the Uphome Funeral Home and the Kijabe Mission Hospital to identify the bodies of their loved ones who died last night in a road accident at Kimende along the Nairobi-Nakuru highway.
12 people died while several others were injured when a 14-seater matatu they were traveling in collided head-on with an oncoming lorry.
Sorrow and pain engulfed family and relatives who lost loved ones in a night horror accident at Kimende along the Nakuru-Nairobi highway. 12 people died. At the Uphome Funeral Home, friends and relatives gathered here to identify the body of their loved ones. Okech Onyango is consumed by grief after losing his sister-in-law, a nephew and a niece in the horrific crash. They were heading to Ugenya for a burial that was scheduled for the 1st of September.
Kufika saa 4 usiku tulipata ripoti kama tunapigwa simu, kuna mtoto ya dada yangu msichana ambaye anaitwa Asha. Tulipigwa simu Asha amepata accident. Kuja rakaraka walipata tu ule sister yetu ambaye ako ICU saa hizi, haongei, anapumua tu na oxygen. Baadaye ndio tukaelezwa kuna watoto yenyu pia wawili ambao wamefariki na msichana yenyu mmoja.
10 bodies were positively identified by their families. Among the dead are 3 children. The 18-seater public service vehicle that operates under the Royal Mirage Sacco was heading to Western Kenya from Nairobi when it hit an oncoming lorry. Both vehicles rolled over a cliff due to the impact of the collision. 9 died on the spot and 3 others on the way to the Kijabe Mission Hospital. The driver of the lorry escaped unhurt. 6 other people are receiving treatment at Kijabe Mission Hospital, where they were rushed by first responders.
Today we remain with 6 inpatients who we continue to provide care for. All of these remain in a critical condition.
Florence Atieno recalls how she got the call that broke the bad news about her brother-in-law.
He was traveling from Nairobi going to Busia. Kufika tulimpata, yes, anaongea, but he's sustained multiple fractures. We are yet to know what next because amepelekwa theater.
The wreckage was towed to Lorry police station. Kimende is one of the known black spots along that stretch of road. A number of people have lost their lives and others maimed at this spot. Traffic police have blamed the fog that causes poor visibility for a series of accidents on the highway in the last 1 month. Rozongoi, NTV.